Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve this past paper question. According to this question, cement is made by heating calcium carbonate and clay together at very high temperature. One of the compound produced is form of calcium silicate. So this is the formula of calcium silicate. In the presence of water and chemical reaction take place that help in settling the cement. So this is the chemical reaction, and he said that calculate the mass of calcium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide can be found from 912 gram of calcium silicate. So this is calcium silicate. We have the molar we have given with 912 gram of this compound, and we have to find out the mass of this compound. So what we need to do, we just convert it into the number of moles. Number of moles of calcium silicate, that is Ca3SiO5. So its molar mass, given mass is 912 gram, and its molar mass will be, mass of calcium is 40, and we have 3 calcium plus mass of calcium silicon is 28, and the mass of oxygen is 16. Now we have 5, so we will multiply it with 5. So it will be 912 gram, 40 into 3 120 plus 28 plus 16 into 5 80. So it's 80. So when we add up, we will get 120 plus 28 plus 80. So it is 222. 912 gram divided by 228. So when we divide 912 divided by 228, we will get 4 moles. So it means that we have 4 moles of calcium silicate, and we have to find out the moles of calcium hydroxide. Now we use the ratio method. So as we know that ratio method, we have to write down the one quantity that is given and the other quantity which we are going to find. So calcium silicate is given, and we have to find the calcium hydroxide. Now we write down their coefficient. The coefficient of calcium silicate is 2, and the coefficient of Ca is 3. Now the number of moles of calcium silicate that is given is 4, and we have to find out the number of moles of calcium hydroxide. Now we cross multiply. It will be 2x is equal to 12. So x will be equal to 12 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 6. So we have 6 mole of number of moles of calcium hydroxide is 6. Now we have 6 mole of calcium hydroxide. Now we have to find out its mass. We know that number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass, and the molar mass of calcium hydroxide will be, the mass of calcium is 40, and we have 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. So it will be mass over 40 plus 34, it will be 74. So mass will be equal to, the 74 will multiply with 6, 74 into 6. So it will be 74 into 6 will give us 414 gram, 444 gram. So this is the answer of the question. This, according to this answer, if we have 912 gram of calcium silicate, then 444 gram of calcium hydroxide will be produced.